Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel, we're focused on helping the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and smartphones. In 2023, anyone can start earning online. All you really need is a smartphone. And that's why in this video, we're going to be looking at the 10 ways you can earn money online with an iPhone in 2023. As well as giving you guys some juicy payment proof just to show that these actual sites do pay out. As always, everything mentioned in this video is in the description, so you can go and get signed up and try these applications out for yourself. One thing to note, I always use applications I mentioned in these videos, and I'm going to continue to use them after this video because these applications are top tier and it's something you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. One of the best ways to earn on your iPhone is using a platform called Swagbucks. So this is a get paid to site where you actually get paid for completing certain actions on the platform, such as using Swagbucks as a search engine, completing surveys, or even just completing the daily poll. Two of the ways I'm going to suggest you guys focusing on is by completing surveys on the platform or playing mobile games. So if you're completing surveys, they normally range between 20p to £2 depending on the context of the survey. I always say just put in the amount of time you actually feel is worth it. Don't go over that because then you'll get burnt out. When it comes to the mobile games though, the requirements are normally you have to reach a certain level on the game to get paid out. And that's all listed in the actual application terms, and then as soon as you hit that, it'll just credit on your account instantly. So what I normally do is I normally try to have at least one game going at a time, and then I'm actually doing surveys on the side. And doing that actually makes me around £25 a week by just doing that on my iPhone. As mentioned though, these are only a few ways to earn on Swagbucks, and these are the ones I would prioritize if you are a bit short on time. But I've actually left a card in the top right of this video, so you can actually go and find out more about Swagbucks if you're interested, because there's so many ways to earn, and it's such a great platform, I can't recommend it enough. Getting paid to walk is one of the easiest ways to earn on an iPhone. So you can use an application called Cashwalk, where you can actually walk up to 10,000 steps, you can watch ads, and you can play the lottery every single day to earn some easy money. So pretty much you just have to complete these actions, and then at the end of the day you have to cash them in by banking them, and then you'll earn around 36p a day if you max out all of your earnings on the platform. That's around £10 a month for just walking. Honestly, that's probably the easiest ways to earn, and cash out start on Cashwalk from £5, and that's actually to a Amazon voucher. The third way you can actually earn is by using the Bing search engine. Yeah, Bing has actually got a way to earn. Who knew?
Me, that's who.
So literally all you need to do is actually download the Bing search engine application, and then you can actually start to get paid for searching, completing daily activities, and even just reading the news. It is that good, and it's all within this one Bing application. One thing I've done is I've actually switched my default browser on everything from Google to Bing, and that way I can maximize my earnings across the entire platform, and that's what you really want. I normally make around £10 a month, and that's actually paid out in Amazon vouchers every single month. If you're looking for something a bit more passive, I would suggest you checking out the web-based application known as Loot TV. As mentioned, this is a web-based application where you actually get paid to watch videos and watch ads on their platform. The more videos and ads you actually watch, the more you will earn. The ads are normally based on your location and different demographics, so your results may vary on the platform. But once you actually reach a certain cash out amount you want to get to, you can then transfer these points over to a site called Free Cash. We send it over to Free Cash mainly because they actually offer the highest cash out rates for Loot TV points. And then you can actually cash out these points directly to PayPal, Amazon, cryptocurrencies, and many other ways. I currently make around 25p for every 4 hours of watch time. Here's a bit of payment proof which shows that I've actually transferred points from Loot TV to Free Cash, and then Free Cash to my crypto wallet. The highest paying survey broker site for iPhones is known as QMe, and that's what we're going to be discussing next. So QMe is a great platform. You can actually earn above £5 a day if you spend a bit of time completing surveys on their platform. It's that good. All you need to do is just sign up, complete a few profiling questions, and then you're ready to earn. And I find the surveys on this platform are so varied, there's no set topics, and you can select what topics you want to focus on because they've actually got a bit of background, insight into what each survey is going to be on beforehand, so you can make sure you pick a survey which you're passionate about and something which you know you're going to be knowledgeable on. You can actually cash out to PayPal at any amount, there's no cash out limit, and it's super easy to do. Give this one a go. The micro task site Clickworker is a great earner for anyone who owns an iPhone, so it's not to be missed. You can literally get paid to complete small tasks on your device. The 3 tasks you really need to focus on Clickworker though, if you are using an iPhone, is academic studies, audio listening tasks, and finally eye tracking studies. So these jobs can be completed either on a laptop or, more importantly, on your iPhone. These tasks only pay between 50 cents to €15 depending on the actual context of each task. I find myself checking this application at least twice a day. So once you've completed each of the tasks you're actually going to be doing, you have to wait 21 days for the actual task to credit and you actually get ready to be paid out. Then any earnings you earn above €10 will be sent directly to your PayPal account and you actually set that up inside of the settings on Clickworker. If you're looking for a way to earn where you don't really have to think too much and it's just something which is going to come naturally where you don't really have to put any thought into it, receipt scanning is for you. So you can scan receipts on a range of different applications to actually earn some money. These applications are Amazon Shopping Panel, Shopix, Snap My Eats, Story Awards, and Swagbucks Answer. Put it into perspective, you'll earn around 81p for the first 10 food-based receipts you actually share with all these applications. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but some of the receipt scanning applications are a little slow, but it does actually make you a more savvy spender, and it does mean that you're getting some money back for your actual shopping. And the fact that you can earn 81p per receipt for the first 10 food-based receipts you do, it's easy to do, and that is literal seconds. All you literally need to do is just take a photo of the receipt and the money come raking in. Across all of these applications, I make around £12 a month. It's not much, but it's easy to do. Every iPhone user can actually earn using a platform called CointoPlay. This is a get paid to site which is focused on cryptocurrencies. But the thing that really makes it unique is that there is actually a faucet which you can spin on an hourly basis. So all you need to do is actually log into their platform and then you can literally complete a capture and then you'll roll a dice. The higher number you get, the more money you will earn, up to $10 per spin. And that's if you get the actual magic number, which is I think it's like 10,000 or something. There's nothing to lose and it's totally free to do. If you do get to a login streak of 100 days though, you'll actually be able to earn double than what you did on day one. So for example, if you hit the magic $10 number, you end up getting $20 back. I make a minimum of 10 pence a day from this site. It is all down to what the faucet rolls, but yeah, I make a minimum of 10 pence every single day. We Are 8 is an application where you can get paid to watch ads. All you need to do is literally just sign up and then you can log in every single day and watch some ads from a wide range of different providers. We Are 8 normally offers between 1 and 5 ads per day, and once you've watched one ad and you've completed 3 quick questions, you'll be credited between 3 and 50p depending on the context of each ad. I always check this application twice a day and I normally earn around 30 pence a day by just watching 5 ads. Cash outs start from £1 to PayPal. The final way to earn on an iPhone is by using an application known as Ember. So there's an application like this on Android called CryptoTab, but Ember is more reliable and you only have to log in every 24 hours. And every 24 hours you will earn at least 1 Satoshi, which is a small amount of Bitcoin, every single hour. So that's a minimum of 24 Satoshis every single day. It takes 1 click to start mining and you can just let it run and you'll earn a small amount of Bitcoin every single day. Anyways, that's 10 ways you can earn money with an iPhone in 2023. Of course, there's a lot more ways to earn and I've actually got a full list. So if you do want another follow-up video showcasing other ways you can earn with an iPhone, please let me know in the comments. 2 of my favourite ways to earn though is actually the games on Swagbucks as well as completing surveys on QMe. It's just one of those things you can just jump in and do and spend a bit of time. Anyways, on screen right now are 2 videos. One being my ultimate guide to Clickworker, which was actually mentioned in this video, as well as a full breakdown of the Chrome extension known as YouGovSafe. And that is an extension where you can actually get paid to share your watch data for Netflix, Amazon Prime, and many other sites. Anyways, take care and I'll see you guys real soon.